Hello breadwinners, this is your girl Shams Foster. Unfortunately, you won't be able to see my face today because I'm a hot mess. I didn't get a chance to do my hair, makeup, all that thing. But I want to make it simple. Today is Wednesday, and when we talk about Wednesday, we talk about health, good health. So today we're going to talk about good health, right? Because it's Wednesday. I'm so excited for Wednesday. I'm always excited when it comes to eating healthy, living a healthy life. That's me. Exercise, drink your water. So today's Wednesday, and I'm excited to show you something that I'm going to do today because I'm sick actually. I have a flu, I have a cold, senyiga, omutwe, echifuba byonna twala tugende. So today we're going to do self-medicate ourselves. Nenda kubalaga how to kufumba ekintu ekibawonyeza okubawonya senyiga abaana omwana akolola kifuba musujja sujja ebyo ng'omuwanga anywanga yeebaka ng'atuya nazo katuya so kati fe abali Canada abali US abali UK kati buno obudde it's fall summer eweddeko so technically tugenda mu winter so kati wano bagita fall empewo wefuwe emiti negivaako ebikola so abazungu they call it fall so we are in fall and fall erimu empewo nyingi nnyo change of weather muva mu budde obubuguma mugenda mu budde obunyogoga so wabawo abantu bangi nnyo abalwala ebifuba senyiga omusujja ebintu tubwe bityo so this is the way how to self-medicate yourself. So I have my ingredients here. So twinawo honey, uyo mumulaba honey. You can get a better honey before Uganda so kufuna organic honey. Kati nzono gwe nina olwaleero. Ninawo ne 2 lemons, oziraba. Twinawo ne garlic, cloves of garlic, zizino wano garlic mumulaba. Twina ne ginger, and cayenne pepper, kamulali. Those are the ingredients we're going to use today. So right now I'm already boiling our hot water. So I'm going to cut my ginger. I already washed my ginger, so I'm going to cut it in 2 pieces. Ginger. Okozesa ginger munjiko n'omusalasala bitundu omusalasala ginger. A lot of ginger. No teka mu mazzi. Amazzi already nagatandise gabogoma. No teka mu mazzi hot pot. Cut this one too. I'm gonna make it simple. I won't make a long video, so buli muntu asobola okugiwatchinga ng'olina data. So katukaddemu ginger mu sefuliya. Kati garlic wuno, garlic already I peeled off the skin from the garlic. So now you're gonna cut garlic mu small pieces. Small pieces. Not too small. Whereby osobola omuntu okusanabanga asobola okutokota obulungi. Small pieces of garlic. Cut your garlic. Small pieces. And garlic is of like it's all depend how sefuliya y'amazzi gy'ogenda okufumba yenkana nti oba waka muliwo abantu bataano okola sefuliya nene. So kati it's only me who's going to be drinking this. And so I'm not going to make like really a big pot. So I used like 5 cloves of garlic. So garlic nemutekamu mu mazzi ago. And then lemon. So lemon, I have 2 fresh lemons. So lemon n'omusalasala. So you cut your lemons in 2 pieces. N'omuteka mu mazzi already agatokota. Okay. Well, it's already 3 minutes. I'm gonna make this really short, like 5 minutes, because I don't want you guys to use a lot of data to watch a long video, but at least you get the message. So you cut your lemons. Slice your lemons very well. Muziteka mu sefuliya. Voila. There you go. So lemon kati awedde, so I put in ginger, netekamu garlic, netekamu lemon. So another thing that you're going to use is cayenne pepper, kamulali. As all can see, kamulali, cayenne pepper. But boy, nabuli obwe waffe Uganda obwo butono those one are good one. Oyinza okozesanga buna oba busatu bwatu yagala kamulali. Nenga cayenne pepper is so good for you. Ebyo byonna senyiga biki byonna kati cayenne pepper n'omuteeka mu sefuliya. Don't put too much oba toli muntu wa kamulali oba olina n'abaana. So honey tugenda mutekamu later on nga tumaliriza. So I'm gonna pause this video because I want to do exactly 5 minutes. I already gone through 4 minutes. So I'm gonna pause the video and then I'm gonna start again. Gabino returns of boiling. Then I'll show you how to strain it, put it in the cup and put in honey and then ready to go. Okay people? And okay, bedwinners, welcome back. So now I'm gonna continue with what I was boiling. So katika mbalage. So that's what we have right now. So you see it's boiling. So you boil it for a good, let's say 10 minutes. So that's what is boiling. We're gonna go back, put our camera back. You're not gonna see Shamila. So the next step you're gonna do is you're gonna strain and take out the lemon. The reason why you're gonna take out the lemon, because lemon will normally come ajakuba kawa. So you take out the lemon, only the lemons. Take out only the lemons, throw them away because you're not gonna use them again. So you take out all the lemon. Use a strainer and take out all the lemon and throw away the lemons because okay, so we're taking out the lemon. Only lemons. Use a strainer and take out all the lemons and throw away the lemons. So yeah, here all the lemons. I'm gonna throw these lemons away because you don't need the lemons right now. You only need garlic, fresh ginger, and cayenne pepper. So we throw away the lemon, and now so now we're going to use a strainer. So use a strainer, put everything in the bowl, and one spoon of honey, tablespoon of honey. Remember honey. The reason why I put in honey because we want it to have a taste. Ochinyonga at least chiwomerera mukatono kuba mwagala nnyo ebiwomerera abantu abasinga. Naye ate ne lemon mulungi nnyo. Ne lemon naye akuyambako ku kifuba. Lemon is a good medication for bifuba. I'm not gonna put much because I don't want it to be too sweet. So come on, lemon. So a scoop of lemon, you put it in the cup, you transfer your liquids, your fluids in the cup. Voila. There you go. So we have our cup of all the good stuff. Let me put that back. So if you get them over then you cover your pot for next time, right? So you can drink as many as you want, like you can drink like 4 to 5 cups a day if you want. You cover your pot, you turn your stove off, and then you stir. This is what you have. This is what you're going to drink, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. It doesn't really have a color, but it's just kind of like, because mubademo lemon, garlic, and cayenne pepper, so that's how it looks like. So that's how it looks like. It's ready to drink. And yeah, and that's it for today. Talk to you some other time. Have a blessed Wednesday. Love you. God bless you. Bye.